Okay, hi, good evening all. So last week we have shown the different kind of joins in SQL. So now let's today start with the set operators in SQL Server or any of the relational database. So basically there are three to four kinds of set operators are available. One is union, then union all, then intersect, and then except. And this except is known as minus in Oracle. Except will be used in SQL Server, whereas minus will be used in Oracle database. Whenever you have any question, you can pause me and ask me at the same time. So this is one simple example I am starting with. I Okay, I have created. Let me see whether this table is available. Okay, I have created these two tables for simple first simple example. One table is speaker table and another table is author table, and in both the tables name column जो है वो common column है. तो speakers में I have inserted the data into the speakers table, and then I have also inserted the data into the authors table. Now let me select data from both the tables. So our first one is speaker table and second one is author table. Now अब आप देख सकते हो तो जो दोनों टेबल में सिर्फ एक एक कॉलम ही है और दोनों कॉलम का डेटा टाइप जो है वो सेम है. सो नाउ whenever we do the union, now can does anyone know? Okay, let me try to put this data into the Excel file. Let me put this second data also into the Excel file. ओके, नाउ आप कोई बता सकता है कि यूनियन हम करेंगे तो कौन कौन सा डेटा आएगा दोनों में से? इज एनीवन हैज आइडिया अबाउट इट?
Yes, sir.
ओके.
So basically, union is will give distinct record from both table. Okay, and by default, union will do order by ascending. Okay, that is the thing. Then can you show me the data? Okay,
ओके.
fine. So okay, just copy from table all records Sachin, Rahul, Kapiles, then Chirag. Then Sachin will no, it will not come. Then Rahul will not come. Pratik, then copy the Pratik, Rajesh, Anil. This both. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so it will be total 7 records are there. Now let
Correct.
me try to execute this one. Yes, 7 records are coming. So union will give the unique records from both the tables, and it
And
will.
by default it will do order by also. You can check. By default it will do order by ascending.
Okay, yes, right. By default it has done the order by ascending order, and then if any of the column is coming, sorry, any of the data will be coming in both the tables, then it will come only once only, it will not repeated, right?
Correct.
Okay, now what is the union all will give in our case?
Union all will give all record from the both table, but it has not will it will not, it does not will do order by default. It will come according to first table, then will join second table. But order by will not work here.
Okay, so let me try to execute this one. Okay, I have done order by. Okay, let me remove the order by.
You can check, yes.
Okay, yes, right. So it is given total 9 records, 2 more records which is coming duplicated in both the tables, but still it is giving in union all. And by default it has not done the order by. We have to specifically write the order by over here. So now can anyone tell me, can we write order by over here instead of the below one?
No. It will show wrong. It will show error because we cannot use order by in between any set operator. So
Uh,
it is suggestible to use at the end of set operator, means at the end of both
ओके यस
table.
यस एग्जैक्टली राइट. सो यहाँ पे अगर 5 हो या 10 हो या 15 भी हो, तो हम ऊपर के जो 14 यूनियन ऑल के सिलेक्ट क्वेरी हो उसमें हम ऑर्डर बाय नहीं लिख सकते. 15 में मीन्स जो लास्ट क्वेरी हो ना उसके बाद ही हम ऑर्डर बाय यूज कर सकते हैं. और वन मोर थिंग, here I will use the star only, right? Here I will use the star because we have only one column. But when there is a two columns are there in this table, or in one table two column are there, in another table three column are there, then we cannot use star over here, right?
Correct.
Okay, now intersect, what will give the intersect? Can anyone, any other one, other member can give answer this time if they have idea, or this is the our data. इंटरसेक्ट में हमें क्या रिजल्ट मिलेगा, कोई और बता सकता है क्या? ओके, तो मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ कि इंटरसेक्ट जो होता है, इंटरसेक्ट ऑपरेटर. यस.
Yes, sir. Intersect will basically do common distinct record from both table, and it will apply order by default ascending.
ओके, सो लेट मी एग्जीक्यूट दिस वन. intersect, okay, order by ascending, yes yes, right. So it is given only common records from both the tables, and it is doing order by also ascending. Now let me, and what about in the accept operator?
Can I
In our case this is our first table I think, and this is our second table. So what will accept will give? I think it will give these two, right? Kamlesh and Chirag.
correct?
Okay, let me.
And no, Chirag Kamlesh will give. It will do also order by descending,
Okay,
ascending.
Chirag Kamlesh it is giving, and when we do reverse one, then it is
It
giving
will give.
Anil. Anil is not there, Rajesh is not there in the first table, and Pratik is not there in the first table. So Anil, Pratik and Rajesh, right? Anil, Pratik and Rajesh. It is also doing order by default. Now before taking the second example, there are some basic rules when we are using the set operators which I have written over here. So that we need to consider and we need to keep in mind while using set operators. So what is the first one? The result sets of all the queries must be the same number of columns. So इसका मतलब ये है कि ये जो रिजल्ट सेट आता है, यहाँ पे अगर एक थे बराबर, लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर 3 हो या 4 हो या 5 हो, तो यहाँ पे सेम नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स होना चाहिए, फर्स्ट में भी सेकंड में भी. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी वन वन कॉलम ही है दोनों टेबल में, तो उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे स्टार लिखा है. तो इसका रिजल्ट सेट जो है वो सेम नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स होना चाहिए. अगर हम यहाँ पे दो कॉलम लिखते ए कॉमा बी, और यहाँ पे लिखते सिर्फ ए, then it will not work, right? क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो कॉलम है और यहाँ पे वन कॉलम है, so it will definitely not work. So now what is the second rule we need to take care of? In all the results set, the data type of each of the column must be well matched and the compatible with the data type of its corresponding columns in another result set. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि जितने भी सिलेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है in the union or union all or except or intersect, all the columns must have the same data type. जैसे कि दो कॉलम हो, यहाँ पे अगर दो कॉलम है, ओके यहाँ पे मैंने एग्जांपल लिया है, जैसे कि स्पीकर टेबल में आई हैव नेम कॉलम है और ऑथर टेबल में सपोज मान लो सैलरी कॉलम है, राइट? अब एक एक कॉलम ही है दोनों टेबल में, लेकिन अगर नेम होगा तो वो वेरकर होगा और सैलरी होगा तो वो इंटीजर होगा. तो इस केस में हम वी कैन नॉट डू यूनियन, राइट, और एनी ऑफ द सेट any of the set operators we cannot perform over here because the data type of name and salary is different. So it should be always unique data type across all the columns in both the query, right?
Correct.
And for sorting the result, ये already हमने देखा, तो order by clause can be applied to the last query only. We cannot apply in between or any of the first one or in between. We have to always use order by at the last column only. Where we can use anything descending, by default it is ascending, but if we want to do the descending, then we have to write descending.
But Harshit, one thing, as I think Satyajit said, order by default is in ascending. Am I right? Every time.
Okay, yes.
So do we need to put order by whenever we have to do it ascending? Until and unless we have to do it descending, then we have to put order by. Else, I think there is no need of putting
Yes,
order
yes,
by.
right, correct. Other if ascending is by default, so if ascending we do not need to mention or we do not need to even mention order by. Whenever the result set we want in descending order, at that time only we need to specifically write order by. Yes, that is correct. You got it right.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so now let's see the another example. Here I have one table sales order details table and another table is the sales order details of 1510. So if you see over here in the sales order id, I have order of 43659, then 43660 and 43661, right? And in the second table I have details of 43659 and 43660. Here 43661 is not available, right? So here I am getting 14 records and here we are getting 29 records. Now if I do the union over here, then can anyone tell me how many records it will give? Over here I think 29 records are there, right? 29 records are there. Then over here 14 records are there. Now can anyone tell me when I do the union how many records it will come? How many rows it will come?
If there is common,
43, I guess, means sum of both 29 and 14. So that will be 43.
Okay, let me try. I think it should give 29 only. Let me try it. Okay, it is giving 29. Why? I will let you know. Because over here, if you do the sales order ID, right? Then sales order ID 43659 is there over here. Then over here, second one is 43660, and third one is 43661. Now in the below table, it is first one is 43659 and then 43660. So almost these two are common, right? These two records are common in both the tables. This one is only different one. So in union, it will not repeat these two records. That's why it is not giving 43. So it is giving only once, right? In union, and this is extra one. So in union, it is giving all the records from the first table, and it will not consider the second table record because it is common one only. So that is why 29 it is given. Now whenever we do the union all, then it is giving 43, because union all will give duplicate data, right? So over here it is giving 43. And intersect is giving again the records are common, right, in both the tables. So 29 over here it is 14. So these 14 records are already present in this original main table. So it will give only common record from both the tables. So this intersect, it will give 14 records only, right? It is giving 14 records, and whereas in except operator it is 29 minus 14. So I think it should give 15 records, right? And when we do the reverse one, can anyone tell me how many records now it will give in this reverse except operator?
14.
1 minute. Actually, over here 29 records are there, right? Over here 29 records are there. Then over here 14 records are there. But these 14 records are already present in these 29 records. So, what is the meaning of except? Uh, those records which are present in the first data set but which are not present in the second data set, that it will give, right? So this except and minus will be same. Except and minus in oracle, 1 minute, minus will be same, so it will not give any record. It will give blank result set. Why? Because these 14 records are already present in this our original main table. And what is the condition of except? It is giving record only if it is present in the first data set but it is not present in the second data set. But over here in this our scenario, it is already present, so it is not giving any of the records. You are getting right?
Yes, yes, Harshit.
Okay. And over here if you see, now let me try this one. Now I have given the same number of columns in both the tables, so data type will be obviously same, right? But now if I want to mention the like order ID, suppose for first three column I will take 1 minute, or first four column. Now let me know if over here 4 columns are there, and over here also 4 columns are there, but I am changing the order and putting this in the last, then will it work? Will this query work or not? Can
I
anyone?
think I think it should work.
It might work, but it is giving wrong result. Let me try it. Okay, it hasn't given me any data. It has not generated any error, but it hasn't given me any data. Why? Because in all the intersect union all the operators, this column should be in same order with this column. So over here I have changed the order of order quantity and sales order id, so it will definitely not be common, right?
So that means for if for intersect it is, we have to be like the sorting has to be in the same manner. Same goes for union and union all.
Yeah, I think it should be same for, let me try to check. Okay, over here it is giving the order, sorry, it over here it is giving the result set. But what is the problem? This is a totally wrong result set, because if you see the sales order id is 1 2 3 4, right? Then how it is coming directly from 43659?
Exactly.
Actually it is a order id, it is a order id, sorry, order quantity. It is a order quantity which is coming in sales order id, and over here in the last column, that is same issue will be there, right? In
Got it, got it.
order
So
quantity.
basically in union it, so basically in the union it is giving the result but wrong result, but in the intersect it is showing blank. So we have to be very precise with the sorting.
Yes, yes, very precise with the sorting, as well as very precise with the order of the columns. We cannot do star also. Normally it is not preferred to use star in any of the set operators query, because maybe it is possible that sometimes in this table there is a 10 column are there, right? And sometimes it is possible in this table 8 columns are there, then what? Then it will definitely throw error, right? You got it right. If 10 columns we are matching with 8 column, then it will definitely throw error, because in
Got it.
all the queries there should be same number of columns are there. Okay, we can check it in this example only. If I do over here return sales order id over here and remove one column, then see what is the error is coming. All queries combined using a union, intersect or except operator must have an equal number of expressions in their target list. So this error it will throw when co- columns are not same in all the queries of set operators. Now let me know if any question is there. does, uh, does anyone has any question in this set operators? These are the basic rules while we need to consider in while using set operators. So now let's see the very important concept in SQL, which is ranking functions. There is no questions, right? So there are mainly total four types of ranking functions are there, which is rank, dense rank, row number, and Ntile. So now I have created this cars table, inserted the data into the same, and now let's go through the examples. Let me select the data from the cars table. So it is a car ID. Let me copy this data into Excel file. Okay, it is a car ID. Then who is the maker of the car, then type, then style, then cost of the car in dollar. Now, so this is the first function, rank function. The rank function is used to retrieve the rank rows based on the condition of the order by clause. For example, if you want to find the name of the car with the third highest power, you can use the rank function. So over here, if you see, actually this is the 1 minute. I think some issue. Let me drop this table. Drop table cars. Then create table cars. Inserting the data into the same. Now select data from the cars. Okay, actually we have copied something wrong. This is the actual data. Okay, this is the actual data. Let me. So first column is the ID column, then second column is the name column, then third column is who has make the car, and last column is the power column. Now suppose if we want to identify that what is the third highest, uh, which is the third highest car, or which is the third highest power generated by the cars. So from this we need to do ordering, right? From this we need to do ordering, and ordering into the descending order. Then from this descending order we can write the third highest car. So let me try to do order. Where is the short? Custom short. Largest to smallest, right? Okay, so now this is the first one, then this is the second one, and this is the third one. So we need, whenever we need to identify any kind of this is kind, we can call it as a ranking, right? Now there is a two type of rankings we can do. One is the partition by, and one is the without partition by. So now first let me go through the simple one. So here we need to write the order by clause and order by power of descending. So that only I have done over here, right? In the Excel file, I have rearranged the power column into the descending order, and then I have generated the rank. So this is the basic syntax: rank over order by power descending. Now let me execute this query. And copy data into the Excel file. Okay. So now, does anyone has idea about how this power rank column is generated? Can anyone tell me in brief? Or are you aware about this ranking function, right? Any idea or
To me, specific no idea for ranking function is that.
okay? Okay, so there are total different four kind of rank functions are available. Rank function, then dense rank function, then row number function, and then Ntile function are there. And this is also considered as a window functions, as well as we can say as a different ranking functions are the functions we can say. Then while using the rank functions, uh, either we can do the we can use the partition by clause. I will let you know what is partition by. Or without partition by, it means in this query, in this particular query, if you see over here, I haven't used any partition by keyword over here, right? So I have directly done the order by power of descending. So it will rearrange the entire data set into the power column into the descending order. So it means the highest value in the power column will come first, then second highest value will come second, then third highest value will come third, like that it will come highest to the lowest. But now, can you tell me what will be the result over here if I remove the descending in order by clause?
Will it go in
Ranking,
ascending order by default?
No.
hello, the ranking will be there, but it won't be into the order which we are getting, like descending order. That won't be there. The order will be the same that is maintained in the table.
Okay, let me try. I think it will give in the ascending order, not in the descending order. So now let me copy paste this data into over here only. So now if you see over here, uh, always remember in SQL server, whenever we write the order by clause, whenever we write the order by clause, and if we do not specify ascending or descending, by default it is always ascending. Over here we have not mentioned descending, right? So by default it is ascending. So how it is generated? It is not specified in the same order as the table is there, but it is specified in ascending order. So lowest amount will come at the first, then second lowest will come in at the second, and highest will be at the last, because it is order in the ascending order. But now we have to not to consider this one at this moment. We are considering this one, right? First one. So now just see this column, power rank column. Now 8000 is the highest power, right? So it has given the rank 1. Now again 8000 power. Why it is considering power? Because in order by we have written the power only, right? So now this is the 5400 will be the second highest, but now it is coming over here 3, not the 2. Does anyone know the reason behind this? 5400 is the second highest power, right? Second highest. So it should come over here 2. But 2 is not coming, it is coming 3. Does anyone has
Because
any
value of power is same
sorry,
every
means?
time. I'm saying the value of power. See, if you see in the, can you go to Excel, please? If you see in the first, we have 8,000, so power rank is 1. Then we have 8,000 again, power rank is again 1. Then 5400 is 3. Now it changes to from 5400 to 5000. It is changing 4. Got it? Then again 2 times more 5000. It is same. So basically what I believe is, due to the power value same, in the next step it is taking that. By looking into the Excel, this is actually I
Okay,
found out.
I will let you know. Actually, rank when there is a tie in specific column in which we are doing order by, right? In which we are doing order by, then in that particular value it is giving same rank. It is giving same rank, but when it is a next value, it will skip one value. It will skip one value and it will give next rank. In specifically in rank function I am talking about, specifically in this rank function I am talking about. So over here it is giving 8000, right? 8000, then power rank will be 1, then again 8000, so power rank will be 1 again, right? Because same highest power. But now over here it will visually you can decide, you can say that this is 1, this is ideally 2, and this is 3. Actually it has kept the second rank over here. It has kept this second rank over here and directly generated 3, because of this is a rank function we are using. And now again understand, after 3 what is the next rank? It is 4, right? It is 4. So in the 5000, in all the 5000 it will given 4 record. Sorry, it is giving 4 rank. Now you have to again check over here. It is ideally what? It is ideally over here 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 4, 5, 6. So you need to see like this 4, 5, 6, and then over here it has kept 5 and 6, and then it is directly giving second, 7th over here. Then again no value in common, right? So always it will give no value in common, so it will give 8 rank. Then again 2000 it will give 9 rank, then 2000 is coming twice, so again 9 will be there for 2000 again, then 1800 will be there, right? 1800, so it will skip 10. 1 minute. Does anyone has any question? Mm,
Yeah, Harshit, I have raised the hand.
okay.
So basically, If you see visually, we are seeing 8,000, 8,000 as rank 1 and 1, but ideally it should be 1 and 2, which you said. That is fine. So, if any project is concerned, if any client or any senior member asks, like, to what is the rank of Bugatti? So, ideally it is showing 2, but visually it is showing 1. So, what should be our answer over there?
You are talking about this one?
Exactly.
No, no. Actually,
In this,
uh,
uh,
Bugatti has only first rank, right? Bugatti has actually the first rank because over here, if you see in the query, we have done order by power only, right? Order by power, and also we have done descending. So now power highest value will come first, right? In this column, in this entire column, power highest value will come first. So BMW has 8,000, then it is giving one rank. Then again 8,000 will be same as above one, right? Again 8,000 will be same as above one, so it will again give one rank. But over here, when you go to the next value of power, then in the ranking function over here, how much value are there? 1 and 2 are there, right? 1
yes.
and 2 are there. So 2 it will skip, it will not give 2 to this 5400, it will give skip 2 and it will directly give third rank.
Yeah, so in that case, Harshit, so is it correct that we have to leave the ideal concept of 1, 2, 3, 4 and stick with the ranking concept
uh,
for in the sequel, which is 1, 1, 3, which is you have shown over there?
yes, yes, but this is correct in terms of when we are using rank function. I will tell you when 1 2 3 will come, I will tell you in some time.
Okay,
For that another function is there, but for rank function this should be the answer which is mentioned in column M.
got it.
So now
Thanks.
again 5,000 is there, right? 5,000 it has given fourth rank, so all the 5,000 it will give fourth rank. Now visually you have to see this is 5 and this is 6, so 5 and 6 will be skipped and it will give seventh rank. Then 3,000 come only once, so no issue, right? 8, then 2,000 again it is giving two times, so it is giving 9 in both the rows of 2,000. Then again it is giving skipping 10 and it is giving 11. Over here it is giving skipping 14th one and it is giving 1300 to the 15th rank. Now if you want to see the consecutive order, then here you have to, yeah, use dense rank. This is the second function. Now let me execute this one and copy this data, only this data, and remove this one. So now check over here. Now this is your question, right? Previously I think. So whenever value will be same, it will give same rank always, whether it is a rank or whether it is dense rank. This is the use of rank function and this is the use of dense rank function. Now over here, if you see over here, it is not giving skipping any value, it is always giving consecutive 1 2 3. Then again so many 3 are there, right? Still it is giving 4, then 5 6 7 8. So this is the very common interview question, what is the difference between rank and dense rank?
So, Harshit, why do we use rank function if it is skipping the values?
mm, actually it depends. Actually it depends on the situation, but there is no any specific reason for this, I can say. But it may be possible sometimes based on the data it is giving same result. It is giving say suppose मान लो कि यहाँ पे जो पावर कॉलम है, इन द पावर कॉलम all the values will be unique, right? 8000 is coming only one time, then 5000 is also coming one time, 2000 is also coming one time, and 1500 is also coming one time. Then can you say me what is the result will be rank and dense rank? It will be the same,
Uh,
right? It will be the same.
yes, both will be the same,
Both will
right?
give the same result set. There is no difference. So in that kind of scenario you can use rank also, and you can use row number also, or sorry, dense rank also.
Right, but my question was कि अगर वो रैंक में एक वैल्यू स्किप कर रहा है फॉर नेक्स्ट रो नंबर, तो आई मीन इसका कोई यूज ही नहीं बनता है इस केसेस में.
हाँ, इस केस में यूज़ नहीं बनता है, पर बेसिकली ये कंसेप्ट को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए एग्जांपल लिया है कि कहीं ना कहीं रैंक फंक्शन का तो यूज़ आता ही होगा,
राइट.
और इन लोगों ने दिया है तो ये एक सिनेरियो हमें समझने के लिए यहाँ पे लिया है कि ऐसा भी होता है रैंक के अंदर, क्योंकि नॉर्मली डेंस रैंक को सबको तो पता ही होता है कि 1 2 3 सीक्वेंस में ही वैल्यू देगा, लेकिन
हाँ,
रैंक में वो कैसे स्किप करता है वो हमें सिर्फ नॉलेज पर्पस के लिए नॉलेज होना चाहिए.
इवन एक्सेल में भी सेम वे में बिहेव करता है रैंक फंक्शन.
ओके, डेंस रैंक भी आता होगा एक्सेल में, है ना?
हाँ जी, हाँ
डेंस
जी.
रैंक इज आल्सो कमिंग.
यस, यस.
ओके, नाउ आई थिंक पार्टीशन बाय कंपनी यहाँ पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ओके, पार्टीशन बाय कंपनी. ओके, ओके, नाउ लेट्स चेक द अनदर एग्जांपल. नाउ कैन एनीवन, ओके, वो मैं बाद में पूछ रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे हम लेते हैं, यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया है, I have used the partition by clause over here. So let me execute this one, and then order by company किया है. Okay, order by company भी किया है, तो let me copy this data into the Excel file. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे कोई किसी को आइडिया है कि यहाँ पे क्या वो बिहेव कर रहा है? यहाँ पे वो 1 2 3 ऐसा नहीं दे रहा है. यहाँ पे 1 दिया है, कई कई जगह 2 दिया है, कई 3 दिया है, कई 4 दिया है, 5 6 7 8 9 तो कहीं पे दिया ही नहीं है. कोई बता सकता है ऐसा क्यों बिहेव कर रहा है ये? Does anyone has idea about this one?
Can you
कर
please
दिया
go
हमने
to the
कंपनी के
query
ऊपर.
which you have written?
पार्टीशन कर दिया ना हम लोग ने कंपनी के ऊपर, तो रिस्पेक्टिव कंपनी और पावर के ऊपर रैंक आया.
ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमने पार्टीशन किया है कंपनी कॉलम के ऊपर, तो यहाँ पे BMW इज कमिंग ओनली वंस, राइट? सो इन BMW 8000 it will give, I am writing again for the explanation, it will give one rank. Then Bugatti again new company, it is not BMW, right? So again 8000 also it is giving one rank. Then check for this Honda. होंडा में जो हाईएस्ट वैल्यू होगा वो 2000 है, राइट? होंडा का कितना वैल्यू है? यहाँ पे 3 वैल्यू है, तो होंडा में हाईएस्ट वैल्यू कौन सा है? 2000 है, तो 2000 को वो 1 देगा. फिर सेकंड हाईएस्ट वैल्यू कौन सा है? 1800 है, तो उसको वो 2 देगा. और थर्ड हाईएस्ट वैल्यू 1500 है, तो उसको वो 3 देगा. देन हम टोयोटो का देखते हैं, तो टोयोटो का भी सेम है. तो जब जब पार्टीशन चेंज होता है तो इट विल स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1, यू हैव नोटिस दैट वन राइट. जब भी पार्टीशन चेंज होता है, पार्टीशन मीन्स क्या, कंपनी. जब भी कंपनी चेंज होता है तब वो वन से स्टार्ट अगेन करेगा, और जितनी भी हाईएस्ट वैल्यू होगा उसको वो वन देगा, सेकंड हाईएस्ट वैल्यू को टू देगा, थर्ड हाईएस्ट वैल्यू को थ्री देगा. अगर हमने ऑर्डर बाय डिसेंडिंग किया होगा तो यू गॉट इट ओवर हियर राइट.
Yeah.
So now again I have one more question. What if I do over here, I am doing skipping the order by? Will it work or not? Will this query work? क्या किसी को आइडिया है क्या?
See, this query says we have to take the name and company and power based on the rank. Now we have partition. हमने partition कर दिया है, but हमने किस बेस पे ऑर्डर करेंगे? ऑर्डर बाय हमने दिया नहीं है, तो आई थिंक इट will
बट
not give
ऑर्डर बाय मैंने
correct
लास्ट
answer.
में दिया है, ऑर्डर बाय कंपनी
Okay,
नीचे.
sorry. Order by company.
Ideally, it should work.
ओके. कोई
Let's
और
see.
बता सकता है, किसी को कुछ आइडिया हो तो? ओके, मैं बताता हूँ. मेरे हिसाब से आई थिंक इट विल थ्रो द एरर. नाउ लेट मी ट्राई इट. The
Yeah,
function rank
yes,
must have an over close with order by.
exactly. We haven't given order by.
हाँ, यहाँ पे पार्टीशन बाय के बाद ऑर्डर बाय नहीं दिया है हम लोगों ने, जो मैंडेटरी है. दिस इज मैंडेटरी राइट. यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दी स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर while using any of the ranking function, partition by clause is optional. यहाँ पे देखा आपने ऊपर की क्वेरी में, यहाँ पे हमने पार्टीशन बाय नहीं दिया है, फिर भी ये क्वेरी चल गई. इसका मतलब क्या है? पार्टीशन बाय क्लोज इज ऑप्शनल बट ऑर्डर बाय क्लोज इज मैंडेटरी in any of the ranking function, in any of the ranking, rank, dense rank, entile or row number, any of the ranking function. ये हमने ऑलरेडी देख लिया. कोई क्वेरी नहीं है ना? देयर इज नो क्वेरी राइट.
No query.
ओके. नाउ रो नंबर क्या करेगा? डज एनीवन हैज एनी आइडिया अबाउट दिस रो नंबर?
Will it give a different value, unique value, just like a serial number to each and every row?
Yes, exactly. So over here 15 records are there in our table. So 1 to 15 it is giving, but based on the order by power we have done right, order by power descending. And now while using the row number we have done the partition by. So now how this thing is behaving? Partition by company, order by power descending. So it will give, suppose 1 2 3, then when the partition will change again it will give 1 2 3 4, then again when partition will change it will give 1 2 3 4 5, like that. So over here company is BMW coming one only, so it will give one rank, sorry, one row number. Then for the C, for this Toyota it is giving serial number only 1 2 3 4. Now again one more question. Over here I am using row number. Okay, why it is okay. So in this case, I think it will give. I have used rank, dense rank, row number with partition by company and order by power descending. But over here, I think all the result set will be same. We can check it. Okay, all the result set will be same. The reason behind it is
We
there
have
is
done the
no
partitioning by company.
duplicacy of power in same company, right? There is nowhere is duplicacy of power value in the same company. That is why it is giving 1 2 3 4. But now if suppose 3200 is coming over here, right, two times in Toyota only, then can anyone now tell me what will be the value of rank? This is, suppose this is rank, or we can say this is row number, this is rank, and this is dense rank. So now can anyone tell me these values over here only? What will be in the row number? It will be 1 2 3 4, right?
No, it will be 1, 1, 3, and 4.
1 1 3 4.
4, O.
It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe.
I think it should be 1 2 3 4. Okay, let me. For Toyota we are checking, right? For Toyota and this one. Okay, so update cars set. हमें क्या करना है? पावर इक्वल टू 3200, where name equal to this one, right? And company equal to Toyota. It will update only one record, right? Okay, one record is updated. Now first we are doing over here only. So suppose मान लो यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 आता है, फिर या यहाँ पे को क्या आएगा, कोई बताएगा ये पावर रैंक में? ओके, मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ, यहाँ पे ये है रो नंबर, ये रैंक, और ये है डेंस रैंक. यहाँ पे मान लो 1 2 3 4 आता है, फिर यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे
1, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, 1, 1, 3, 4.
1
Rank है ना?
3 4, यस यस राइट, 1 1
Yes.
3 4. और यहाँ पे
1, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 1, 1, 2, 3.
और ये फिर से बताइए आप रो नंबर में.
1, 2, 1, 2, I believe, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is correct, huh? Because same is the company.
ओके
Now, so 1, 2, 3, 4 is correct, right?
okay, yes, it should be correct one only. So now let me execute this query. Now see the result of Toyota. Okay, row number we have written right, last, right? So 1 2 3 4 it is coming, that is correct, right? In our Excel file also 1 2 3 4. Now rank is the first one, so 1 1, it is skipping one value, two value it has skipped because same power is coming twice. So one it is giving 1 1, in the next it is skipping 2, it is giving 3 4 in rank, and 1 1 2 3. So everywhere we are correct, right? It is giving same as Excel file, in table also correct, these values. Got it right?
Yes.
Okay. So now this is the some similarities between rank, dense rank and row number functions. So all of them require an order by clause that we have seen, right? So order by will be mandatory in all of these uh, clauses, but partition by is optional. Now all of them return an increase integer with a base value of 1. So in all of this value it is a increase integer, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and base of the 1, base value of 1. Now when combined with a partition by clause, all of this function retains reset the return integer value to 1 as we have seen. So whenever partition by clause is changed, right? Partition by is changed, it is again resetting to 1. Like from Honda, it is showing over 1, 2, 3. Then company partition is changing from Honda to Mercedes. It is also reset to 1. That thing only it has written. And then if there are no duplicate value in the column used by the order by clause, then this function return the same output. Thus that also we have seen over here. In partition by previously it is over here some unique value, right? 3000. Then all this value will give the same result, rank, dense rank and row number. All this value will give, but it is possible when then at that when it is no duplicate value in the power column. Is there any question? You are clear only, right?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now quickly we will see one more example which is covering the entire
Akanksha, can you please go on mute if you're not speaking?
okay, now let me use this database. Okay, so here total 631 rows are there in the order values table, and we have ordered the database on the value column, and that is also in ascending order because we have not specified descending anywhere. So highest value will come at the last and lowest value will come at the first. So now over here we have used the row number, rank, dense rank and Ntile also we have used, right? But now we have seen first three already. So how Ntile will behave? So let me uncomment this one and execute this query. Okay, does anyone has idea about this Ntile?
No.
Okay, so how Ntile will work? So it will count the total number of, because of Ntile we have done over here 100, right? In Ntile we have given the 100 in the bracket. So firstly it will, what it will do, it will try to uh, divide all entire table records into the based on 100. So total how many records do we have? We have 631 records are there, right? We have 631 records are there. So it will divide 631 by 100. So actually it has given 6.31, But now what it will do, it will give some initial records. I think initial 31 records. So let me check over here how many records. 31. Hmm. Okay, have you got it? 6. So ideally we, what we have to do, what is the around exact integer, exact number of 631? It is 600, right? It is 600. So it is, what it will do first, 600 divided by 100. So it is 6, right? It is 6. Now how many more is remaining from our total record?
31.
31 it is,
31.
31 it is remaining, right?
Yes.
31 it is remaining. So what it will do, for the first 31 records, for the first 31, means for the first 31, not first, we can say that for the first 31, what we have done, over order by value, rank over order by value. Okay, so for the first 31 batch, we can say that batch, it will generate 7 record, means 7, 1 it will come 7 time over here. Then again 1 1 it will come 7 time, sorry, 2 it will come 7 time. Then up to 31 all the values will be come at the 7 time, and then from 32 it will give 6 times. So over here again you will see for 20, for 20, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then let me check for 30 and 31. 2 3 4 5 6 7. 30 is also coming 7 times. Then 31, 2 3 4 5 6, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now for the 631, 31 record, uh, 31 up to 31 it is clear. But now from 32 it will, can you say how many times from 32 it will come? Means how many records have 31 in the Ntile column? Sorry, 32, 32. Because 600 divided by 100, only 6 time now it will come. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then from now it will change to 33. Then now again 1 2 3 4 5 6. So from rest of the record it will give 6 only. So we can say that 6. So that is 600. So sorry, not 600. Let me copy this data into Excel file. Okay, so let me go up to the 31. How many records are there? Two 117. And now from 32 it will be our 414. And result set of both is 631. That is our total record in the table. So ideally it is done for the first, up to the first 31, 31, we can say that 31 batches it is giving uh, 7 times unique values, 7 time unique values, and from the next 32 it is all the batches it is giving 6 times. So it is organizing by this way in the Ntile function. This is little, I think this is little complex, but we need to identify different example, or we can try to change over here also. Like 100 you can do 50, or 10 values also we you can try. Let me try with 10. Oh, okay, 10 means 600 divided by 10. So 60, right? 600 divided by 10, it is 60. Where is the. Okay, let me execute this one and let me copy this result set. So I think for the first 60 record, it will give 1. Okay, here it is giving 1 to the first 64 records. I'm not sure how it has done this partition divided. 600 divided by 10, it is 60. Then 2 is coming how many times? It is for the first time it has done 64 times 1, then second value is coming 63 times. This is actually, we cannot predict how it is behaving, but normally this is the ideal concept. We can say that we need to divide total number of rows based on the Ntile value, and then it is generating unique values across different batches. But this behavior is not exact. We can guess every time it is behaving the same way. We cannot give any guarantee about this Ntile value, whereas but Ntile is very rarely used function. Mostly rank, row number and dense rank will be used so many times in so many different kind of data analysis. Now this is clear, right? Other functions we will see later on. This case statement also we will see tomorrow. Can you say me that tomorrow 11 o'clock will be fine or not? Tomorrow 11 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, works for me.
Okay. Yes, actually this is the actually this is mainly the syntax only. Syntax with we must need to use whenever we use rank, row number, dense rank, or Ntile. Over is mandatory and order by is mandatory. So this is basically syntax only. In order by we can use any of the column from the table, and we can either use descending or ascending. So if we do not specify anything, then it is by default ascending, and if we want to use descending, then we have to specify descending. So mostly in the order by clause there will be some integer value. We can say that salary, order by salary. Suppose we want to find the highest salary of the employee, right? Highest salary, or we want to find the third highest salary of the employee, right? third highest salary of the employee, then we can use either rank or dense rank, any of the thing. And now can anyone tell me, we if we want to find the department wise third highest salary, then what will be the change?
We will use partition.
Okay, we have to use partition by, I think spelling is wrong.
Department.
Shown by either department id or department name, whatever is column is given, then it will give department wise highest, or second highest or third highest salary. Okay, so we will see few more, few other concept and other examples tomorrow. There is no further doubt for today's session, right?
No doubt.